Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going back over BUSD Kingdom. Now I'm making another video about this because this project has been booming lately. It's picked up a lot of traction. A lot of people are very interested in this. You can see down here on the left hand side that the amount deposited so far has been over 1 million BUSD, and that's insane since this thing is less than 1 week old. So that's really good to see. The projects kick off like this. That means that they're going to, in my opinion, they'll be sticking around for a while. And not just a short-term cash grab. So remember, now this type of project is high risk. It's definitely high risk. It's DeFi, so high risk, high reward. So remember that if you're looking at getting into this type of project, high risk, okay? But at the same time, extremely fun. I like all this GameFi type stuff. These projects now, this is like the thing now, okay? So a lot of people were making projects that have these sort of GameFi covers to them. So you got to come in and interact daily and blah, blah, blah. It's for me, it's really cool just to invest my money into something like this. So I know this is not long. I'm trying to make it things like this long term, like, choose projects that are going to be long term. So I chose this BUSD one. So far killing it, so that's good. But yeah, as you can see, I've got 3 towers now. So I've invested a total of about 340 BUSD, and I'm currently getting paid out 278 gold coins per hour. That equates to just over 13 BUSD per day. So that's good. So we'll do some quick math right now. And all you do is you take your hourly amount, so 278, and you times that by 24 because this is per hour. So you want to do 24 hours. That'll give me a grand total of 6,672 gold coins per day. And if you have a look at how much, so it's 0.002 BUSD for 1 gold coin. So easily just times that by 0.002, which is 1 BUSD, and grand total of 13.34 for BUSD per day. So that's how much I'm getting. So that equates to about $13 per day just from this project. So that's good. So my ROI is about 25 days before I get my initial capital back. So 340 BUSD. In saying that, I do feel like I want to upgrade some more towers to try and hit a larger daily return. But at the moment, 13 BUSD per day from one project is fine. My goal is 10 projects, $10 per day. So this has definitely smashed it already. I can even take a little bit less on one other project. So that's good. I'm here at claiming now. I got like 29%. So you have to claim every 24 hours. If you want, you can upgrade that to make it 30 hours, 36 hours, 42 or 48 hours. Totally up to you, but you will have to purchase that option. And so, yeah, if you look at the guide here, which I've got right now. So my tower 1, I'll just quickly show you, is at level 4, all right? So it's going to cost me 204 gems to get to level 5. So I opted to go with another tower, 2 other towers instead of upgrading that fully, just because my daily income would be far greater doing other towers, because the most expensive tower is going to pay you more % back per day. It's going to cost you more, but in the long run, you're going to be better off. But when I first jumped in on day 1, I just put in 100 BUSD and I just upgraded the first tower as much as I could with 100 BUSD. Then I think on the 3rd day, I jumped in with another 240 and I opened up 2 more towers. For me, that just sort of seemed the right move to do, just to get me over that $10 a day. So again, if you have a look here, I was up to level 4. So I've spent 8, 12, that's 20, 38, 50, 60 something. I don't know what the hell that is. And then again here, 80 for tower 2. So 80 BUSD, and then 240 was right there. So that's how much. So that's a contract as well. 730,000 is in there. I think the max that I saw when I looked at it was about 780,000. So it hasn't dropped too much. But again, there are a lot of whales in here as well that have got a lot of money in here. You can see that people are just pulling out daily. 32, 271, 63, 30. So that's good. Someone's whacking in 456. So there's obviously more outs than there is ins, but these outs a lot of them are very small. So that's all good. But yeah, This one, these two are just level ones there. I do have one alliance, so someone did use my referral code, so I was able to gain 6,728 gold coins plus 134 gems, which helped open up another tower for me. So that's why my own initial investment was only 340, yet I got, I think that was about 18 BUSD there, and then I got some gems too. So someone obviously deposited a fair bit for me to get 8% in crystals and 4% in gold. So that was good. Thank you very much to whoever did that. I appreciate that. That helped me open up a second tower, a third tower there. So that's all good. Again, guys, I'll leave that link down in the description below. You can use it if you want to. You do not have to. But yeah, it does obviously help me out, so I can start opening up some more towers. So that's pretty much it, guys. It's just an update on how this GameFi project is working for me. There's about 927 kingdoms, right? So you could look at that as 927 investors, or maybe there's some investors who have maxed all these out and they've gone and made another wallet and opened that up. Not too sure. 3,222 warriors. So I think I've got 4 here, 1 and 1. So I've got 6. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. The guide's there as well, so you can check out here like how much you'd get back, what things cost, stuff like that. So, and you can see here, just to open tower 4, you're looking at 480. And then you got another 720 to get to level 2. So there's a lot of money being pumped into these. I know for sure there are guys out there, even followers on YouTube, that have already opened up Tower 5 all the way max. So they've put in like at least over 10K, 12, close to 15K just for that one tower. But I can guarantee that their daily returns would be far over 500 BUSD per day, easily. So depending on if someone's maxed all these towers out, I would definitely say they'll be taking a huge chunk. So as long as you're watching the TVL, I don't see any issue with this type of project. I think it's going to boom and last a while. So it is a pizza fork tower. So, and if you have a look at pizza fork, it is a pizza tower fork. So if you have a look at pizza tower, it's been around now for a while, paying out 2% or a little bit more than 2% per day. So that's good. This one's obviously paying out a lot more. I think you can see here up to about 4.35%. So I'm sitting at the max right now at 3.58% on one investment, 240. So my next one is 3.36% at 80 BUSD. So yeah, in saying that, there's a lot of money to be made in things like this. Obviously, it does rely on new investors coming in to be paying out all the original investors. So if you get in early to projects like these, you are able to make some money. The faster you can ROI back, then the faster you can actually make profits. So, and remember, if you're putting in just a small amount, you won't be making a lot of money back. You got to put in, you got to put in a bit of money to actually get some good returns back. So I chopped down, I think just from 100 BUSD that I had, I was looking at a 36-day ROI just on that. But once I chucked in a bit more, it chopped it all the way down to 25. So I'm happy with 25 days. I think this project is going to last longer than that. So that's all good. And then after that, this is a cash cow. So I may invest more. I really want to invest more, but it is dependent on the TVL, which I watch daily, and other things like that. So, but I've already hit my goal of over $10 a day from this project. So that's good. Now I'll just reinvest that back into other projects. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. It's an updated video on the BUSD Kingdom. I really like this project. I'm looking for more projects like these because this is the type of projects that I want to put into my portfolio. And obviously then I want to get into different staking protocols. But these types of ones at the moment, I really like them. So, I think a lot of people do. This is like the new thing now. So that's good. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you did like this video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe if you're not subscribed. If you got any questions or anything like that, whack it down in the comments. I'll answer as best I can. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. See you.